Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
I am in the road which connects Chengalpattu to Tiruvallur. Why are these two cities important? Days before Unlock 1.0 came into being, the central government announced a list of 13 cities which included Delhi, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Thane and others which accounted for 70% of the COVID-19 cases in India. This list also included Chengalpattu and Tiruvallur. We find out why there is such a rise in COVID-19 cases in these two relatively small cities and what the local administration is doing to stop its spread.
Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba announced names of 13 cities which were worst hit by the COVID-19 crisis. The government listed 13 cities which were Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Thane, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Howrah, Indore, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Chengalpattu and Tiruvallur, and said that they accounted for up to 70% of COVID-19 cases in India. The last two cities on the list, Chengalpattu and Tiruvallur, fairly less known, lie on the outskirts of Chennai. After Chennai, these two districts have among the most number of cases in Tamil Nadu. But how did these two small districts become COVID hotspots? Both the cities are more or less an hour or so away from the capital city, Chennai. The first few cases in both the districts were traced to the Coimbatore cluster and some to the Tablighi Jamaat. Cases continue to rise in both Chengalpattu and Tiruvallur due to both of these clusters. Both the cities are more or less 50 kilometers away from Chennai central. Chengalpattu lies to the south of Chennai, while Tiruvallur is to its north. Both the districts have either people coming in or going out for work to Chennai. District Magistrate of Chengalpattu, A. John Louis, said that around Chengalpattu there were many industries and hence there's a continuous flow of people from Chennai. This could have attributed to the rise in cases. While Tiruvallur has a similar story. With Unlock 1.0 coming into the picture June 1st onwards, one can see many trucks coming from Chennai carrying workers to manufacturing facilities. For finding the containment zones in both the cities, we had to travel a lot. Till Tuesday, there were 19 containment zones in Chengalpattu and 15 in Tiruvallur. In Tiruvallur, the containment area was a house with a banner put outside saying Corona Hotspot. In Chengalpattu, we had to travel almost 20 kilometers from the city to find the containment area, and we found a narrow lane with 3 houses. Among them, the middle house had a COVID positive patient. There was no sticker outside the home, only an old woman standing there.
My son, who is mentally unstable, was tested positive for coronavirus. He had symptoms like cold and cough. After his results came out, our house was sealed and my son was taken to the hospital. None of our other members in our family have been tested yet because we don't have any symptoms. My son used to stay in a different room and me with my husband and other children used to stay in other part of the house, and hence we were not tested.
Chengalpattu has 7 quarantine facilities, while it has 3 mobile testing centers and 2 hospitals for COVID-19 testing. According to Louis, Chengalpattu does anywhere between 400 to 600 COVID-19 tests a day. Aside from testing, tracing and quarantining, the local administration is also providing people with herbal Siddha medicine to build their immunity. Aside from testing, the Tiruvallur police has created an app called CoBuddy to monitor home quarantine patients, and like Chengalpattu is also conducting contact tracing of patients. This app can only be downloaded by those who have been home quarantined.
I am right now in Tiruvallur, which is a city about 50 kilometers from Chennai. The etymology of the name of this place comes from a place where God sleeps. However, in this land where God sleeps, all is not well. After Chennai, Chengalpattu, Tiruvallur has the highest number of COVID-19 cases in Tamil Nadu. As of 1st June, it had over 980 cases and 11 deaths due to the virus.
According to the Joint Director of Health, D. Rani, testing in Tiruvallur began close to 10 to 15 days back. Before that, swabs were taken and tested in the King's Lab in Gindi, which is nearly 50 kilometers away. Presently, both Tiruvallur Government Medical College and the Sri Ramachandra College conduct RT-PCR tests. As of 4th June, Chengalpet recorded 1,537 cases of coronavirus, while Tiruvallur recorded 1,124 cases of COVID-19. As states across the country are opening slowly, for both the cities the challenge remains of creating awareness among people about physical distancing and the importance of wearing masks. This is Revati Krishnan and Manisha Mondal reporting for The Print.